Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will show you how to separate numbers from text without using any formula. Well, there are several ways to do that. The first way is to use the flash fill feature. For this purpose, I have already created two blank columns, text and number, where I want to extract the text part under this text column and I want to extract the number part under this number column. So first here, in the top cell of this text column, insert the text part manually. In the next cell, again insert the text part manually. Now select these two cells and drag them down. So this is how you can extract the text part. Now it's time to extract the number part. For this purpose, insert the number part manually in the top cell of this number column. Then again keep inserting the number part. So as I type the number part, Excel is already suggesting me what I actually want. To accept this suggestion, hit enter, and there you go. So this is how we can actually separate numbers from text using the flash fill feature. The second way to separate numbers from text without using any formula is to use the text to columns wizard. For that, first you need to select your text and number combination, then go to the data tab. Under data tools group, you will find text to columns. Click here, then select fixed width instead of delimited, because we are not separating our text number combination based on delimiters. Then click on next. Here under data preview section, click in between text and number part. Then you will see a separation bar here. Here one important thing to keep in mind, that you can only do that when you have fixed width of text and number. Anyways, hit next button. Now it's time to select the destination. Click on upper arrow key, select a cell, click on lower arrow key and hit finish. It says there's already data here. Do you want to replace it? Click on OK to proceed. So this is all for this video tutorial. See you guys again in another video tutorial.